Now I'm going to rant on Blooper and YouTube. Also, you know what? I have 4 channels. Yeah, I have 4 channels. So I just gotta rant on myself. Blooper and YouTube? No, more like green pig in the dirt in the trash can. Oh my gosh. This user sucks. This user likes to beg me.
Tony YouTube, can you please?
I'm now saving it. That's it. Your worst channel.
Go to my.
You're the worst channel ever. I'm making bad videos out of you because you begged me. I don't want your playlist. What? I don't like your description. I'm gonna destroy your channel. You know what? That's it. You're not gonna have 100 subscribers. Now you got 2 subscribers. Now everybody start on subscribing Blooper and YouTube. Okay? Also I spell his name wrong. Also, Prince Alex / Princess Alex is cutie. Also, Prince Alex / Princess Alexa is cutie. Make sure you rant on logo channels because he made fake effects. And make sure you rant on Blooper and YouTube because he begged me. Okay? But if you don't make a rant on them, then I'll unsubscribe and block you. So please rant on local channels and Blooper and YouTube. Okay?